Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring R and Rstudio are installed and your project folder is ready. Open Rstudio and load the project to keep paths consistent. Once the project is active, set the working directory to that folder using session or settled path so relative paths work. Next, inspect your data file name and format, CSV, Excel, or SPSS, because the import function differs. This first step prevents path errors and makes later code reproducible. You now import the file with Reader or Readsel so you control parsing. If it's CSV, run library, reader, and use data read CSV data. CSV, adding call types to force types when automatic guessing fails. For Excel, install Readsel and use read Excel data. XLSX sheet equals 1. Once done, call glimpse data or SDR data to verify column types and missing values. Make sure to handle encoding and decimal separators when you see misparsed numeric columns. Finalize by cleaning and saving so others can reproduce your work. Convert columns explicitly with as, numeric or as, factor, parse dates with lubridate, and remove unwanted rows. Once done, save a sanitized copy using write CSV or save RDS so you don't repeat parsing. If something breaks, first check the working directory and exact file name, then inspect encoding, delimiter, or header row issues. Those are the most common culprits. If error persists, restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.